Freeman Lockyer and Buckhurst Park Properties Ltd is a commercial law case concerning apparent authority and enforceability of obligations against the company. Here are the facts of the case. Mr. Kumar Kapoor was appointed by the board of the defendant company to handle the land sale. He assumed the duties of managing director, and the board accepted it. Subsequently, Mr. Kapoor hired architects, the claimants, to obtain planning permission on the land. This act was beyond his actual authority, but was within the normal authority of a managing director. Then the claimants, Mr. Freeman and Mr. Lockyer, brought an action against the defendant company and its director, Mr. Kapoor. They claimed their fees for architecture work on developing the real estate. The key issue in the case was whether Mr. Kapoor had the apparent authority enabling the plaintiffs to enforce their claims against the defendant company. The Court of Appeal held that the defendant company was bound to pay the plaintiffs for their architecture work. In particular, the court found that the defendant company's Articles of Association contained the power to appoint Mr. Kapoor managing director. Thus, Mr. Kapoor was a managing director of the defendant company with the authority to hire architects. In these circumstances, the defendant company was bound to pay the plaintiff architects for their work because of Mr. Kapoor's apparent authority.